Hey y'all, it's Vlogmas day 12. And today I'll be doing a very special client, somebody that I've been doing for 34 years. It's my daughter, yay! So today I'll just be shampooing, deep conditioning, blow drying, pressing, and flat ironing. That's what I will be doing to her hair today. So, with and I take the towel and I take some of the water out so that when I put the leave-in conditioner and the Proclaim, it just goes straight to the hair, not to any water. And I'm gonna stop talking about this right now because you can actually see what I'm doing. After this, I will be rinsing I already rinsed the conditioner off, but I'll be blow drying it off camera because that's a work. Pressing, and I do have two pressing combs, and I don't let it get as hot as it can get, but I let the pressing comb get pretty hot so it'll get straight, and then when I flat iron it, it gets even straighter. Now my daughter usually get barrel curls all over her head and just let them fall where they may. She doesn't get a part, and today she's not getting a part either, so she wanted to just flat iron, so I'm just flat ironing it and just letting it be straight. Let's work for me. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you guys finish watching the video and I'm gonna figure out how to flip this over. So if you see it and it's the right side up, then guess what? I did it. Yo, I did it. I rotated it. I'm like, yeah. I'm getting to be a boss with this editing, y'all. And it's all from my iPhone. It ain't even the iPhone 11 Max Pro. every time I do my daughter's hair, this has been since she was little. Once I get halfway through, she gets this smile on her face like, ooh, my hair gonna be pretty. So today, she tried to hold it in. So when it was time for me to take the pictures and everything and the video, she had to have her slow motion. Wait, is this the slow motion one? I don't think this is a slow motion one. Anyway, she was just posing and stuff like she was getting paid to model and stuff, okay? And I'm like, oh, slow your roll, slow it down some. You know, turn the chair slow, but she going fast. She want to sling it. But you know, hey, I get it. Her ends need to be clipped, but I'm not going to clip them today. I'm going to let her enjoy her length. Even when I clip it, she'll have length. But her hair grows really, really, really quick. So that's what I did today. I gave her a shampoo, deep conditioning, a leave-in conditioner, press and flat iron, and no trim. Okay, look at her, y'all. Look at her. Just now she gonna go real slow. Oh, that was out of order, you guys. This video. Y'all, this is the only client I have that has not paid me at all. The whole 34 years. Stay blessed.